Ayan, hello guys, good evening. We are here at Pearl Drive. Tara. Nasa Pearl Drive kami ngayon and we are going to have our dinner at Pinio. So, itong Pinio, napakita na namin sa inyo to guys sa mga past vlogs namin. But normally we eat during the breakfast. But now we are going to try the dinner buffet. So, yeah, tingnan nyo mamaya guys kung ano yung mga pagkain dito. So, ganito ang itsura ng Pearl Drive at night time. So, this is located at Fairview, no? So, Fairview, Commonwealth, Quezon City.
Ano ba nandun?
Yan. So, meron din ditong mga establishment like Jollibee. Yan, no? And meron ding mga Dunkin Donuts, mga cake shops, no? Nandiyan. Mamaya. So, dito na kami guys. And let us see yung Pinio. So, ito guys yung Pinio. Let's see the food. So, mukhang kami pala ngayon nakakain. Ito yung mga pagkain nila. Ito ano to? Rice din? Plain rice. Okay. Yang chow. Okay, pancit. Fried chicken. Yeah. Oo. Ayun yung bagnet, masarap. Andy Coffee. Yung dinner nyo dito. Ito na yung soup. Bagnet. Ayan. Okay. So ayan guys, ngayon kami pa lang yung tao. And we'll try. Ito yung mga ginawa namin pagkain tonight. Pakita namin sa inyo. So inuna ko muna yung bagnet. And then vegetable. Ito yung sasawa nila. And then si Jed kumuha na ng kuhol. And ano yan? Chicken. Fried chicken and pancit. But of course, alam naman natin na low carb. So, marami pang mga options ng food na try natin later on. So, for the meantime, let's try the bagnet. So, ito guys yung bagnet nila. And let's taste it. Super crunchy. Kain muna kami guys. Mo ngayon. Fried rice. Okay, ako I tried this beef. Ano to? Caldereta eh. Beef caldereta. Yan. Tingnan natin ha. So yan guys, yung beef caldereta nila. Tikman natin to. So bagnet is okay, masarap, no? And let's try itong kanilang caldereta. Yun guys. Sarap beef. Beef na beef siya. Beef talaga.
Hindi ba?
Oh guys, tama lang yung lambot ng beef. Itong bagnet nila malutong. Caldereta okay lang. Masarap kasi ano siya yung parang may litid-litid. Okay. Kamusta yung fried chicken ng lasa? Kamusta ba yung fried chicken? Kuhol. What can you say about the kuhol? Okay naman. Nangan to. Medyo.
Yeah. Punang ano kanina.
Parang fried chicken lang mukhang okay naman ano. Parang juicy naman yung pagkaka-fry. Sige, titikman pa natin yung ibang food nila guys later on. Guys, kumukuha si Jed ng kuhol.
Yeah, it's really difficult to
Yun.
get this thing.
So dito sa Pin, yung mga Filipino foods by the way. No?
I really like this meal.
Sarap.
Yeah, very
Okay. Mga Filipino food, so they have yung kohol, caldereta, bagnet, pansit, fried chicken. At saka meron pa doon parang ano pinagoongan. Yeah, but anyways, okay naman yung pagkain na dito so far. Not bad for
price.
yeah, 299. So sige, tingnan natin yung iba pa later. So ito guys, yung kanilang pinagoongan. Yan. Tigman ko na medyo maangang siya. No? Medyo maangang. Pinagoongan lang. Pero okay naman. May sili siya guys. No? Ayan. And this is the fried chicken guys. So naka-low carb tayo. May konting breading siya. Pero okay naman yan. Sige, tingnan natin ang kanilang fried chicken. Okay naman yung kanilang chicken. Okay naman yung lasa ng kanyang fried chicken. Kaya medyo makapal din yung breading. Alam niyo man sa low carb, hindi natin masyadong kinakain ng breadings ito. Buwasan ko na maya-maya. So guys, ito ang maganda rito sa Pinyo kasi meron silang coffee. So hindi kailangang lumayo. So available na yung only coffee nila na brew. So let's taste this coffee. So hindi na kami mag-SB o mag-coffee shop mamaya. Tingnan natin. Ayun guys, ito yung aming experience dito sa Pinyo at dinner. Ano sabi mo? Very solid, 100%. Okay na, if you are satisfied. Yeah, for 299 and if you are not syempre you'll not be expecting too much, but for that price, okay na rin siya. Kaya yun guys, if you want to visit itong Delfinio. Dito ito located sa may Pearl Drive, sa may Commonwealth, sa Fairview. And they offer breakfast, na vlog na namin yon. They have lunch and also the dinner. Yung dinner and lunch nila is nasa $299 lang. And those are the food na nakita namin. Limited din ng coffee, iced tea, and meron silang parang blue, ayun o, tawag dyan. Pakita mo akin.
Blue juice.
Blue juice. So this is also unlimited here for $299, kasama na siya. Oh.
Juice.
Yeah. Blue drink.
Blue juice.
Yeah. So yun lang guys. Hope you enjoyed watching and watch out for our upcoming vlogs. Bye!